Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today we are solving question 2485. Find the pivot integer. Given a positive integer n, find the pivot integer x such that the sum of all elements between 1 and x inclusively equals the sum of all elements between x and n inclusively. Return the pivot integer x. If no such integer exists, return -1. It is guaranteed that there will be at most one pivot index for the given input. Y'all see him? What he doing right now? All right. I'm getting attacked by a cat. Anyways, let's get into the solution. Okay, so how we could solve this problem is we could have two. Oh my God, he's crawling on me. He's putting his whole weight on me. Yo, I don't even know you like that. Oh my God. All right, hold on. I gotta move the laptop. This guy just took over the table. All right, given. Okay, back to what we were doing. So we could solve this with two variables. We have one variable. One variable is equal to 0, and the other one is the sum of 1 to n. So how this works is we have two cups. Imagine we have two cups, an empty cup and a full cup. And over time, we will just move water from the full cup to the empty cup until both cups are equal to each other. And when that happens, we will know that we found the pivot integer. If that never happens, then we could return -1. So we have two variables, one variable 0, one variable sum for integer in n, add integer to first variable and subtract from second. And when var1 equals var2, return integer, return -1 if nothing happens. And for this, it will just be O of n, because we have to iterate through every integer in the list from 1 to n, right? So let's get to coding. The list will be a range from 1 to n inclusive, so we have to add 1. And then the var1 and var2 would just be 0 and sum of L. So for n in L, okay, for integer in L, we will do var1 So we add integer to var1 if var1 equals var2, return integer, var2 minus equal integer. Hopefully that works. I'm going to test this one because 4, 8. The cat is doing some funny things on the table. Okay, it seems like it works, so I will submit. I solved this problem over almost over a year ago. And there is my solution. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.